Hey guys, welcome back. The next plugin we are looking at is Redfin. So you guys should already know Redfin. So real estate investors can use Redfin plugin to conduct comprehensive housing market research. You can see from price trends to demographic research, and this plugin can convert valuable insights all within ChatGPT interface. So let's go ahead and install it, and this seems to be installed and enabled. So now let's basically ask this function. So the question we are asking ChatGPT to trigger the Redfin plugin is, show me the housing market trends in San Francisco. So this is basically what it's listing. So here are some recent housing listings in the current market, and it's also giving you the price. So I am not a Redfin user, so I would not be able to validate if this price range or what you have been using on the other platforms is right or wrong, but just wanted to demo it to you that you can now use Redfin within ChatGPT interface without having to go do all the search bars in Redfin. So let me ask it to find me housing ranges in Austin for a within 300 to 400k price point. So let's see if it's able to do that for us. Cool. So it's giving you all the price listings which fall within that range. So if you are house hunting, you basically know whenever something comes up for auction or you want to go bid for a home, you generally need to know what budget you are willing to pay, and you need to prepare 10% of that budget, and that's where basically this may be useful. I hope this helps. Thank you for joining.